In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up WooCommerce in WordPress. To get started, sign into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website, and it's where you'll manage plugins, settings, and store features. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the Plugins section. Hover over it or click it, and then select Add New. This will take you to the plugin library inside WordPress, where you can search for tools that add new functionality to your site. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Type in WooCommerce and give it a moment to load the results. You'll likely see several related plugins, so make sure you choose the official WooCommerce plugin. It should clearly be labeled WooCommerce, and selecting the official version is important so you're installing the correct plugin from a trusted source. Once you've found it, click Install Now. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds depending on your connection and hosting speed. When the installation is complete, the same button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to turn WooCommerce on for your website. After activation, WooCommerce will usually guide you directly into its setup wizard. This wizard is designed to help you configure the essential parts of your online store without needing to dig through settings manually right away. Start the WooCommerce setup wizard and follow the prompts on screen. You'll be asked to enter your store details, such as the type of products you plan to sell, your business location, and other basic information needed for store setup. Take your time here, because these details help WooCommerce apply the right default settings for taxes, currency, and overall store behavior. As you move through the wizard, complete the basic configuration so your store is ready for the next stage of customization. Once you finish the setup wizard, WooCommerce will be installed, active, and basically configured on your WordPress site. From there, you can continue building your store by adding products, choosing payment methods, and adjusting design settings later. For now, the important part is that WooCommerce is successfully installed and ready to use.